We just create that canvas for people to paint their lives together.
There are tons of places like WeWork or wherever it is that people could go to work in a city, but there are very few that are actually embedded in nature where this gets to happen here. And I think that if people had more capacity to have access to, the Wi-Fi and be able to work during the day, but at the exact same time be a part of this kind of scenario, they will spend more time in a garden. Because the reality is, if you're in New York City and now all of a sudden you finish your day at WeWork and at some co-working space, you don't have the real capacity to go and just step into the jungle and start doing permaculture all of a sudden. Like, you don't have any level of that surrounding you. So of course you're not going to learn that. Therefore you're not going to value that. Therefore you're not going to propagate that. But if you have the capacity to like work for part of the day or do your morning practice and all of a sudden go set up a garden bed in the morning and then get on some phone calls and do some emails in the afternoon and then get back right into the community mix and be part of the kitchen staff or whatever it is in the evening, all of that like combined is a unique offering that I don't see elsewhere.
Well, again, I think it's the crossroads. So not only is the digital nomad reality happening, I don't know if I like the word nomad. I think we got to work on that.
Sure.
I don't like the word nomad, but I mean the whole digital that whole reality is happening. The ecoversity is happening. Punta Mona continues, and we're still doing retreats and yoga teacher trainings. And then at night, everybody meets at the stage, and there's a speaker or there's a band, and there's that kind of mixer. I went this past summer to Portugal to Tamera, and what's going on at Tamera is there's a lot of things happening at once, and then every night everybody meets at the bar. It's pretty much a bar, although when I was there it was a non-alcoholic bar. But normally it's not non-alcoholic. And everybody would meet there. Here it would be elixirs because we make all these incredible elixirs here. But everybody meets, and it's kind of the place where, that cross-pollination happens between the different cultures. I'll never forget the first time I went to Esalen, and I sat at a meal there, and there was like literally 5 workshops going on at once. And all these different workshops attract such different people, and all of a sudden all of them are there together, and then next thing you know, you're sitting at the same table for dinner. And the conversations, because you're all going, even right now, there's a permaculture design course going on with 25 students. There's a yoga teacher training with 20 students. There's all these volunteers and interns that are different. And yet, at meals, everybody's sitting together. And I think that's where that's part of where the magic happens. Like, we just create that canvas for people to paint their lives together.